Today I'm going to give you 5 points that I got from listening and interviewing Cindy Byler, one of the greatest landlords in the world, on how to make your tenant feel worthy. I'm Oliver Perry. This is the Oliver Perry Show. Let's get into it. Number 1, make your tenants part of your process. During our interview, Cindy talked about the fact that she had a renter who was very good with plants. She gave her a set amount of money and said, "Hey, I want you to do me a favor. Go out and get plants that are going to make your house beautiful," because she was renting a property. The young lady went out, came back with some amazing plants, and Cindy said that she had never seen a property that had looked that good, just because of the things that that young lady had gone out and gotten and brought back. Make your tenants part of the process and make them feel worthy. Next, who versus how. Several times in our discussion, Cindy talked about Who versus How, which is a book, but even more so, you heard her repeat, I figured out, I'm not the who. I'm not the who. She figured this out because she was, 1, doing the things. 2, she was realizing that either she was procrastinating, which is a clear sign that you're not the person for that job, or she just knew it was difficult for her to handle for whatever reasons that she had. So she had to go find the who as opposed to finding out how. How sometimes can get in your way as the leader, as the boss, as the CEO, but you have to find the who and not always rely on the how, because it's not always you that needs to do it. You're taking away, as Cindy said, you're taking away someone else's opportunity to be great. Next, how are you impacting the community? Cindy talked about how she was impacting the small community. I say this just as well to you as I have to myself. Your goal is a goal. Great. But how is your goal helping other people? I want to get 625 doors. So I am currently going to be focused on veteran housing, as well as some of the lower income housing, as much as possible to help people out. What's your goals about? What are your goals supporting? Next, play your wrong note loud. Cindy talked about how she was in a band and her director told her, if you're going to play the wrong note, play it loud. The same thing goes for us when it comes to what we're doing in real estate. If we're doing wrong, or you're not, not if you're doing wrong, but if you're not sure about something, be loud about the fact that you're not sure. Hey, I'm not certain. I need help. Be honest with people that you need the assistance. Someone out there is going to help you, I promise. You just have to open your mouth and say, hey, I'm doing this. I'm doing it right. I need help. Or I'm doing wrong. I need help. Or, hey, this is what I'm doing. Whatever you're doing, be loud and proud about what you're doing. And next, before we get to the next point, that is, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the comment. Let me know what you've taken from this discussion right now. Or once you watch Cindy's video, let me know what you took for Cindy's video. All right, let's get to the last point. Last point, do more for your tenants. Cindy talked about the things that she had done for her tenants, and because she does these things, it motivated those tenants to stay with her longer. You can do the exact same thing. It may not have to be extravagant. It might not have to be out of this world. It can be as simple as a thank you card, or as simple as a happy holidays card, or a simple $5 gift card, whatever it might be. You can do these things for your tenants that other people aren't doing. And it makes your tenants feel more, not just a part of it, but a part of your team, as well as a part of that property that they're staying in. Now, do me a favor. On this side of the screen, you'll see the full interview with Cindy, as well as all the interviews that I've done for the Oliver Perry Show. Go check it out. I promise you will not be disappointed. It's some great information and some great people that you can reach out to and hopefully do some work with. In the meantime, I've got to go, but if you're still here, hit one of these things. Go check one out. I mean, it's free. It's not going to hurt. All right, now I got to go. I'll see you next time.